Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the Science 9, Term 1, Week 5, Day 1 about series circuit. Okay, objectives: define a series circuit, demonstrate understanding of proper circuit connections by explaining what happens when a component fails, and solve problems involving total resistance and current in a series circuit using the correct formulas. Okay, for activity, let us answer these questions. Circuit with only one path for current. Okay, that is series circuit. Connected one after another. Okay, ang tawag po dyan ay sequential. Sum of all resistances. Okay, total resistance. Opposition to current flow. Resistance. Source of electrical energy. Okay, battery or source. Device that produces light in circuit. Okay, that is bulb. Condition when path is broken. Okay, that is open circuit. Or ang katapat po niyan, open circuit, that is off. Condition when path is complete. Okay, that is closed circuit, or ang katapat po naman po niya, naka-on. Flow of electrons, that is electric current. Part of circuits such as bulb or resistor. Ang tawag po doon sa mga parts na yun ay component. Okay, short story about the Christmas lights. One evening, Carlo helped his mother decorate their house with old Christmas lights. After plugging them in, only a few seconds passed before all the lights suddenly turned off. They checked the plug and found that one bulb was broken. When they replaced the broken bulb, all the lights worked again. Okay, Carlo realized that the bulbs were connected in one line. If one bulb failed, the whole set stopped working. Okay, why did all the lights turn off? Okay, because the circuit was broken when one bulb failed. So sa series circuit, pag may isang nasira dyan, kasi one line lang yung connection, magkakaroon ng open circuit. So magkakaroon ng broken part. So hindi siya gagana. So what type of circuit were the lights using? Okay, that is series circuit. Why did replacing one bulb fix everything? Okay, because it restored the single path of current table. Okay, sequential. What do you mean by sequential? Okay, connected one after another. Okay, circuit with one path for current. Okay, that is series circuit. Opposition to the current flow, resistance. Sum of all resistances. Okay, total resistance. Part of a circuit, example bulb, battery, switch, and others. Okay, those were the component. Okay, what is series circuit? A series circuit is a type of electrical circuit where components are connected sequentially one after another, creating a single path for current flow. Okay, this means electricity has only one path to travel. If the path is broken anywhere, the entire circuit stops working. Okay, the sequential connection. Sequential means connected in a line. Example structures, so ito. So, kumbaga ay one line lang yan. Ito yung naka-series circuit. Ayan. So, electric current flows from the battery to bulb 1 to bulb 2 through the switch and then back to the battery. Yan yung flow ng current. Ano po? Ng electric current from the source going back to the source or to the battery. There is no other path. Okay, main characteristics of a series circuit. Single path for current. Same current flows through all components. If one component fails, the whole circuit stops. Total resistance is the sum of all resistances. Okay, na series circuit, ganito lang po ang formula kapag ko-compute. Ipa-plus mo lang lahat ng resistance. Dito lang doon sa isa sa parallel, ang resistance po doon, ang pagpa-plus is 1 over R plus 1 over R sub 2 plus 1 over R sub 3. So, kumbaga doon sa parallel is in fraction form. So, current must pass through every resistor so each resistor adds opposition. Example 1, kung ito ang given, the first resistance is 2 ohms. The second one is 3 ohms. What is the total? So, you're just going to add, that is 5 ohms. Next, 4 ohms ang resistance 1. Resistance 2, 5 ohms. Resistance 3 is 6 ohms. What is the total resistance? Okay, 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 15 ohms. So, ito yung example ng resistor. Ito yung color-coded resistor. Ito yung nagko-control sa flow ng current. So, let us answer these questions. A series circuit has blank path. Okay, only one. In a series circuit, components are connected. Blank. Okay, that is sequentially. If one bulb breaks in a series circuit, the other bulbs will blank. Okay. Turn off. The total resistance in series circuit is found by blank. That is by adding. Current in a series circuit is blank in all components. That is the same. Example of series circuit is, okay, that is old Christmas lights. If more resistors are added, total resistance will be blank. Okay, will increase. Electricity flows from the battery to the bulb and back because it needs a complete path. The formula for total resistance in series is blank. Ayan, ipa-plus mo lang lahat ng resistance. A broken path is called blank. Okay, that is open circuit. Okay, sample computation given. Ayan. Simple lang po yan, i-add lang. Pero kung gagamitin mo na sa Ohm's law, so ita-add mo na muna lahat ng resistance bago ka mag-compute nito.